In today's video, I'm going to show you how to heal in Affinity Designer. Now, if you want or need to remove unwanted spots or blemishes from your image, the healing tool will make it easy for you. First, open up Affinity Designer and, of course, add in your photo that you would like to edit. Next, from Vector, make sure that you switch to Pixel Studio. Also, if your image is on a vector or group layer, make sure that you select it and right click and make sure that you rasterize it to convert it to a pixel layer. Once done in the left panel, grab the healing brush tool. Next, in your keyboard, if you're using Windows, hold the Alt button or Option for Mac. Then click on a clean area near the blemish to sample it. And now release the Alt or Option button and paint over the spot that you would like to remove. Affinity Designer will blend it seamlessly with the surrounding pixels. Just continue sampling and painting as needed until your image looks clean. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!